Hey, what's up guys? So I've got Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 Classic here with me, and in this video I want to tell you about 10 cool things that you can do with this watch. So without any further delays, let's get started. And the first thing is snore detection. And for that we actually need to go into the Samsung Health app on your phone and then go in sleep and tap on this menu button, go in snore detection, and from here you can turn this feature on. By default it's turned off. So once you have turned it on, then below that you can also select whether you want your phone and your watch to detect your snoring always or just once, and then you can also set up to record audio of your snoring, and then the number of days you want your phone to keep that recording. Now the way this feature works is that you have to be wearing your watch at night and your phone should be on the charging, and if your phone detects that you are snoring, it will record your audio. You can read more about it here down below, and then go back, and then if you're snoring, your audios will show up here. It did record my snoring at night, but because it was selected for one day, it deleted them after a day. Next up, I want to talk about body composition analysis. This is also a new feature that Samsung has added in these Galaxy watches, and for that we need to go in the widgets, find the body composition widget, tap on Measure, go through settings, select your weight, and then read all the instructions. They also give a disclaimer to not use this feature for diagnostic purposes or medical purposes. This is just to improve your health and your wellness. And then it will show you how to measure, so you can go through all of these instructions and then start. So you have to put these two fingertips on these buttons here and it will start recording. Your arms should be wide and open, and then you just wait. So there you go, it comes up with your body composition analysis, gives you detailed information, and you can show it on phone and learn more about it from here as well. Alright, moving on, there is also a camera controller app pre-installed on Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 Classic. So simply swipe up and go into the app drawer. Now keep scrolling and you will find this app here. Tap on it, and then it will ask for some permissions. Grant the permissions, and then it will load the preview and it will turn on the camera on your phone, and it takes a bit longer to load the preview on the watch itself. And then from here you can take the photo. You can also set up a timer for 2 seconds, 5, 10, and then turn it back off. Now you can also preview your photos from here, and if you change the orientation of your phone, it also changes the orientation on the watch as well. Now right now this camera controller app does not support video mode, so maybe that will be added in the future by Samsung. Next up, I want to talk about the media controller app that we have on Samsung Galaxy Watch 4, and it actually makes it a lot more easier to control your media on your phone or on your watch. So we will simply go into the app drawer and scroll down until we find this app. Go in here, and here you will see that it will show you your music on your phone and on your watch. You can control everything from this media controller. Then if you play something on your phone, for example I play this Samsung video on YouTube, it will show the controls here on the media controller app, and then I can pause it, play it, I can tap on it, and it will show a full-blown media controller on the watch. And from here I can also skip a track on YouTube. Moving on Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 you can also customize these keys to launch different features and different apps, and for that we will go in settings, and then we will look for advanced features. Go in here, scroll down, and you will find customize keys. Go in here, and here you will find home key and back key. So this is home key with the red band around it. Here you can customize it for double press and press and hold. So if you go in double press, right now it is selected for the most recent app, so you can quickly switch between your current app that you're using and your last used app. And then you can also select pretty much any app from your app drawer to launch by double pressing this button. So right now, as I've told you, it's selected for go to most recent app, and if I double press it, it will take me back to the music controller that I was showing you, and if I double tap or press again, it will bring us back here. And then we have press and hold for this. Now by default it's selected for Wake Bixby. Because I don't use Bixby, I select power of menu, and then if I long press it, it will launch the power of menu. You can do the same with the back key, but for one single press, which they have named here short press. Right now it's selected for previous screen, so if I tap it, it will take me one step back, but you can select it for something else here as well. So if we go in here, you can select it for show recent apps. So now when I press it, it will show me all the recent apps that I've been using on this watch, and then from here I can jump into any other app. Now moving on to the next feature, I want to talk about gesture control on Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 Classic, and for that we will go in settings, scroll down to advanced features, and here once again we will scroll down and we will find gestures. Now here you can use gestures to answer calls, so you can turn this feature on and then use this gesture to answer a call. Then you can also use gestures to dismiss alerts and calls. So you can go in here and turn this feature on, and then you will be able to rotate your wrist twice to dismiss alarms and decline incoming calls like this. So when you're being alerted from the alarm, simply use it like this and it will be dismissed. Moving on, I want to talk about this feature that allows you to turn your display into grayscale by tapping 2 fingers 3 times on your display. And this is actually an accessibility feature, so for that we will go in settings, scroll down, find accessibility, and scroll down further, go in advanced settings, and here you will find 2 finger triple tap. Go in here and select grayscale. Now go back. Now triple tap on the display with 2 fingers and it will turn into grayscale. Now this feature can actually help you to save a little bit battery if you're in a pinch. Now to turn this feature off, we will use the same gesture that we used to turn it on. We'll tap 3 times with 2 fingers and it will turn off. Alright, now next up there is a watch face on Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 Classic that allows you to use your AR emoji as your watch face background. So if you use a Samsung phone and if you have created your AR emoji, you can then use that emoji as your watch face background, and for that we will go in the Galaxy wearable app, go in watch faces, scroll down, and here you will find AR emoji watch face in graphical. So we'll select this one and then tap on customize. Now by default we get these 2 emojis, but if you have your AR emoji, it will show up down here and you can select it and it will transfer to the watch. So once it's transferred, then you can set up clock type, you can set up your complications, what information you want to see on the display from here, and there are 4 complications in total that you can select from, and you have all of these different options to add in your complications. And once you're all done, just press save and it will be synced with your watch. Next up, you can also take a screenshot on Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 Classic, and it is very easy to do, and for that you simply press these 2 buttons together and it will take a screenshot of what's on your screen. And then to access the screenshot, simply go in your gallery app and you will find your screenshot here. Now one important thing to note here is that whatever you will screenshot on your watch will be synced with your phone as well. So if you go in the gallery on your phone, you will see and find the screenshot on your phone as well. And finally, now I want to talk about this last feature that allows you to push content to your watch, whether it's music or photos. And for that, once again, we will go into the Galaxy wearable app, go in watch settings, and then find manage content. And with the help of this feature, you can add tracks and images to your watch. You can also sync up specific playlists with your watch, and as you continue to add more songs to that playlist, those songs will be automatically synced up and transferred to your watch. If you select add tracks, you can then select a specific track and press done and it will be transferred to your watch. You can also select auto sync for playlists, go in playlists and then select a specific playlist that you want to sync up. Similarly, you can add images to your watch by going into your gallery, or you can also sync up specific albums, and as you continue to add more photos to those albums, those photos will be automatically pushed to your watch and synced with your watch as well. Now this is a very cool feature to keep your phone and your watch in sync when it comes to content. And that's about it from this video, guys. Those were the 10 cool things that you can do with Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 Classic. I hope you have enjoyed this video and you've learned something new. And if you have, let me know in the comments. Give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more videos like this. I will see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.